my stamping friends, I'm Sandra at artypapercrafters.com, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the UK. And today I'd love to share with you what happened last weekend when I went to on stage at Telford in Shropshire. When we arrive, we get given our name badge. I'm a silver demonstrator, as you can see by my badge, and we get a little lanyard with it, and we get given a number and a colour. And during the day they have prize patrols, and you get a prize when your number and colour comes up. Everybody gets a prize, nobody is ever left out. And when my number came up, I got a new stamp set that's coming out in the new catalogue out in June, and this is called Artisan Textures. It's a rubber stamp set, which I love, and I'm sure that I'm going to have lots of fun creating things with that, so I love that. We get this given this bag as well. This is a lovely bag for shopping. It's got Stampin' Up! With a little pocket in, and it's also reversible, so if you wanted to wear a different outfit, and you can match it to your outfit, and that's the other side. So that's a lovely bag for your shopping. We also get given in our bag, we also got given this, which was a box, and inside it contained one of these little light boxes, which lights up like that, and you got the alphabet numbers, so that you can put whatever words or things you want in it. So I just love that. It's cute. This is the selection of numbers that we got given, lots and lots of numbers, so you can write and letters that you can light it up with whatever you want. So I love that. So we got given that in our bag. We also got given a stamp set in our bag, which was called Animal Outing. Lots of fun little animals there, so cute, love that. And that again is a rubber stamp, beautiful, love that. We also, on our tables, we got given each one of these, which is like a little notebook with different compartments. You can write whatever you want in that, so I love that. That's a notebook's always useful. And then during the day we had lunch, and in the afternoon they did another prize patrol, and we all were surprised because they showcased a stamp set, and then they said, oh, who's going to get this? And it worked out that everybody got it, and this stamp set is called Pick a Pennant, and this works absolutely brilliantly with the new Stamparatus. You've got lots of fun. You've got 76 little images in here. 76, I mean, wow, that's amazing. Is that right? 76? Yeah, set of 76. Blimey. Yeah, I suppose it is, with all those letters. And you've got more than one of each letter too, which means that when you're creating your little artwork in your little pennants, that it works brilliantly with it. So I love that. So we all got that. And during the day we all did a bit of crafting. On the table they put like a box of goodies, and it has lots of the new products in it that are coming out, and we all do a bit of crafting. And these are the cards that we made during the day. Now this first one here, this was what we was given, and we were given a set of these, and you pick one from the pack. There is 8 of you on the table, so you all pick one, and then you pick this some of the paper. Now that paper is called Delightfully Detailed Laser Cut Speciality Paper, and let me show you that, because it's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. and I'm absolutely sure that this is going to be a big hit in the new catalogue. The new catalogue. Speak properly, Sandra. And this is what you get. It's all done in tissue paper. Now these pieces were what were left over, as you can see here from these ends. Now it's white on one side and cream on the other, so you can choose which side you want to work with. And look at these. These are all laser cut. Now I was very lucky. At the end of the day, we're really lucky in that the box of goodies that are on our tables, we share out, so everybody gets something. You get 2 or 3 things actually out of the box it works to, and I picked these, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those, aren't they wonderful? Let me pull you out a little. Look at the detailing on those. Oh, they're just going to be working so well. I absolutely love those. They're going to be fantastic. And look, turn that over and that's white. Isn't that gorgeous? So let me put that back on the tissue paper, because I just don't want to get these damaged, because they're so wonderful. And that is the same there. So we'll move that on. So I think you get 2 of each. So let's just check that. You get 8. You get 8 sheets of 12 by 12 in the pack. And this is the same. So obviously you get 3 sheets maybe. Not sure what that's about. That looks like it's the same. Oh, but they're so wonderful. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And just look at this. Look at the detail on that. Isn't that just a wow? And of course you can cut out these little pieces and put flowers. You can colour them with your inks. Oh, the fun that we're going to have with these is, oh, I can't wait to play. I can't wait to play. I really can't. And that's the same. So you've got those, and then you've got another sheet and another sheet. Oh, and of course you've got the white side as well as the cream. So you pick whichever side you want. I mean, they are just so lovely, aren't they? Aren't they wonderful? Oh, can't wait to play with those. So I chose those out of this box, and I was very lucky I got those. So that is those. So that is what I used to make this gorgeous card. Now I didn't have time to finish this on the day, so when I came home I used one of the stamp sets that I'd already got, and I'm going to a wedding at the beginning of May, so I thought, well, I'll make a little wedding card. So I chose the Floral Phrases, I think it is, or Floral, something like that, to make this wedding card, and I just thought that was so pretty. Yeah, absolutely pretty. So that is that, and I even stamped the little Floral Phrases image from the stamp set on the envelope. So that is what we made, and these are all the designs that we could have chosen. And then we made this card, which I think is beautiful. I made this. This uses mint macaron, which is a colour that is returning to our ordinary colour palette. So love mint macaron. Was sad to see it go, and it's coming back. Yay! So, and they've got these little doilies, and they've got like pearlized on them. And we shared those out at the end of the day. And these are the pearlized doilies, which are the pearl products are to celebrate 30 years of Stampin' Up. And so they're celebrating it this year with bringing out products that have pearlized detail on them, so they're gorgeous. Pearlized doilies, and then that's laid up with the new DSP and a piece of vellum. And these are the new, I can't remember what they're called. I didn't get the details of those, but I got a little strip like that because we shared them, and they really are beautiful in colours. I think that's Blackberry Bliss. That's the new colour. Can't remember what that's called. Mint Macaron, and you've got all those, and this beautiful velvet ribbon, which I got a little piece of here. This is my piece, and that is called Rich Raspberry Velvet Ribbon. And you get 10 yards on the roll, and it's a 1/4 inch wide, but it's so soft and pretty. So that was another card I made with those products. And then we also made this card which uses this beautiful new vellum. Oh, loving that. And I've got some of it here to show you. Little images like that. You can colour it with your markers or your inks, whichever you fancy. You've got that sort of detailing, and those birds are so cute. And these little images, you could cut those into squares and make things with those little tiny notelets. It'd be nice with those. And so I made this little thank you card, colouring it in with the new colour. I think it's grapefruit something, I think. Gosh, I should know this. What's that new colour called? Pineapple Punch is actually what it's called. So I did that and coloured that little strip in and added that to the inside for a little bit more quirky detail so that it matches. So we made that with the beautiful vellum. So that is that. And then this card I didn't have time to make, and I can't finish it because I haven't got that set. I suppose I could use another set. Sorry, I'm moving the tripod. There's this black trim here, which is like a cord, and it's sparkly. Love that. And then they've got this new polka dot tulle ribbon. That's pretty. Love that. And then there's twine, and then there's these gorgeous little leaf embellishments. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. Love those. And then of course there's some new cord in all the new, well, some of the new colours. So I'm loving that. What else have I got to show you? I think that might be it. I think that might be it. I think I've showed you everything that I got. So yeah, I had a fantastic day. Really loved the day. It was amazing. I met lots of demonstrators I hadn't met before. There was 500 demonstrators, and it's very hard to get a place on this. You have to be very quick to register on a specified day, and once you've registered, then you're going. So I loved the day. I met demonstrators, chatted to them all, sat next to some lovely people, and we had a real fun time. So that is just fantastic, being a demonstrator. I really love being a demonstrator. Can't wait to go to the next event in November. So that's all from me today. I hope you've enjoyed looking at a sneak peek of some of the new products to come. And maybe you'll be inspired to become a demonstrator too, and maybe you'd like to join up under me, because I'd love to have you as a team member. It's only £99 to join. You can choose your own starter kit, whatever products you want, you can choose from the new catalogue, and there'll be a new promotion coming out at the beginning of May. So that's all from me for today, and bye for now. Bye.